Hello, I'm Chris Wilson, the self-proclaimed mobile app mogul, and the headline that you just read above is 100% true and correct. That's right, in 1 month, I made over $16,941.41. And I'm going to teach you how to do the same in my new app course. But first, I want to show you proof of my earnings. So check out this short video excerpt of how I made $16,000 in 1 month. Alrighty, appreneurs, Christopher Wilson here, the mobile app mogul, and also known as the Atlanta app mogul. And I've been getting questions lately about how I'm doing in my app business. So I'm making this video to show you how I'm doing so far. It's been let's see, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. It's been I guess about 6 months or so. And I just started the app business about 6 months ago, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing as far as earnings and so forth in that mobile app business, or in the app business. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to go to my AdMob account, and so I'm going to show you. As you can see, so far for this month, well, not this month, but so far my estimated earnings are $16,941.71. The last payment I got, which is in October, was $7,894. You can look at the numbers. When I first started this business, my first month I made what did I make? I think it was something like $100, somewhere around there. The next month, like $600, and the month after that, $1,200. The month after that, $6,000. The month after that, $7,894, which you're looking at now. But anyway, I'm saying that to say that the money is in the app business right now. There's no better time to get into the app business than right now. Okay, so if you're viewing this video, you know, I have nothing to hide. You probably looked at my training videos. I show you exactly how I do it. And if you haven't looked at the training videos, I'll leave the link in the description box or in this email. But this is what I'm making so far. On a daily basis, I average about $250, $260 a day. Let me show you some figures here. That's 308. That's 284. That's 289. That's 254. And actually, I was making more than that actually, but with the Google Play new policies that they implemented, I had to take a few apps down. But another question is, people ask is, how do you choose apps to make? Well, I review all of that, all of those details, and how I do it, exactly how I do it, in the videos. So, like I said, you can go to the playlist of videos. It's like 29 videos. Show you exactly how I do it. And like I said, well, this is just money on Android. Okay, I haven't showed my figures on iTunes yet because I don't have too many apps on iTunes. But this is just all Android and tier 2 sites. And I go over the tier 2 sites also in the training videos. Now, it's no secret that the more places your app is in, the more money you're going to make. I sent out an email recently to my subscribers saying how I make 32% of my income from tier 2 sites, being Amazon, being GetJar, being Opera, being other sites, or tier 2 sites is what I call them, where people can download your APK file and put your app on their phone. So that's how I'm doing in the ad game. If you're looking to make money, I wouldn't say overnight money. It is some work involved, but actually I make a lot of my money, a lot of this, let's say for example this $308, while I'm asleep. Okay, just the bottom line, you know. More internet millionaires are popping up on a daily basis. Okay, so there's money to be made in the internet, and there's money to be made especially in apps. My mission in life is to teach others how to develop apps and continue to develop my passion for creating apps, and while in the process make a lot of money. I've been developing apps for 8+ years now, since 2012, and this is what I do. I created another app course, and it's with the app builder called Andromo, and also another app builder that I use is 𝐒𝐞𝐽. So with these two app builders, I'm going to teach you my step-by-step process. I'm going to hold you by the hand and show you exactly how I do it. I would like to teach you all of my skills and all of my secrets when it comes to developing apps. These are secrets that nobody wants to tell you, and I must admit, I was one of those at first that I didn't want to give my secrets away. But I'd had to come to the realization that a closed fist can't give and can't receive anything. So that's why I'm offering this course for free, or these courses for free. But they're only free for a limited time. After all, I am an internet marketer. So if you want to get on board with these courses and find out how you can make money every single day creating apps, then go ahead and click the link below and get started creating apps that make you money every single day. Now, when you click that link, you're probably going to be driven to a page that looks similar to this right here. So come to this page, go ahead and sign up with Google and with email, and go ahead and get started with the AndromoAppCourse. I'll see you on the other side, and I'll talk to you soon. Much success, good luck, talk to you later.